Hey YouTube, so I just ate a bird brain. Okay, don't call me a bird brain because I'm eating a bird brain. But I just ate a bird brain and a bird head. Okay, so I'm gonna do this again. But this time the head is a lot bigger and the brain is a lot bigger. Yeah, look at that thing. Okay, so the beak's good. The eyes are watery. Wow, the eyes are different than the last one. Keep your mouth closed, Noah. You spit on my arm. Yeah, see? Me. Okay. No, good. Alright. There's the brains. Oh yeah, here comes the brain. Nope, don't go right. Brains, let's see. I have to dig out the brain.
Okay, bro, are you done?
Here we go. Brains, gotta pick out the sort of the cover of the brain.
Oh!
Okay, bro, come on.
I like the cover.
Got the skin.
I like the skin.
And you see the brain right in there. It's all mushy and stuff. Yeah.
I think another video. I just can't believe it.
Oh no, Gabe! No, watch out! Don't put your head too close to the camera. All right, see that brain?
Hey, bro, be careful. Don't put your head too close to Skylar when you eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm mingling in. How's everything?
It's delicious. I'm eating a bunch of bird brains.
I put it on YouTube.
Oh, your bird brains.
I kind of sucked it up.
You touch
It's really
the head?
squishy.
He's eating the head?
It's really squishy.
Skylar.
I ate the head.
Oh, you did.
I eat the head too. He ate like 3.
There's only one head to a chicken.
Don't eat the bone, Gabe. You just eat the meat.
Look at that brain.
You don't want to record too long because then you won't get to see it.
What? For me? Back.
Say hi to your mommy.
What? I will today.
You don't want the skin part, you want meat?
Okay, bro, come on. Want some more?
Okay, that part tasted bad. No. That part tasted really disgusting. I wonder what... Oh, here's the eye.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, eat the eye.
Yes or no?
Don't eat it.
Okay, bro. Yes or
There's
no?
the eye right there.
Oh, you have to see it.
See?
Oh.
Ew, no. Ew, no. No, the brain was good, the skin was good, the eye was gross. Wait a minute.
Okay, bro.
I'm getting a very salty and delicious afterkick.
Okay, bro. Sit down, please, right now.
Not bad. Okay.
Okay, come
No,
on.
Noah, there'll be more videos with you, okay? We'll make a Black Ops 2 zombie video tonight, alright? Alright, bye. Comment, rate, subscribe, blah, blah, blah.